Before I came to the event, I honestly had limited expectations, basically, mainly because I've heard about these types of events on numerous occasions, being in the industry that I'm in. After doing more due diligence and learning more about Lee, and looking at his YouTube videos and all of the other things that he's involved in, I honestly found him very relatable. He was very transparent, and my expectations changed, and I expected to come and have all of my questions answered and be able to go back and implement everything that he taught. I was utterly surprised. I have to say that. I mean, Lee has seriously opened up every door in his office, every file with regards to his HR standards, how he has everyone systematically trained in his office in order to duplicate his system so that it runs efficiently. And I can't say enough about how surprised I was as to the fact that he was willing to share all of this information. Personally, I was looking for him to help me to systematically, change what I was doing. We're in the same field, and I wanted to make absolutely certain that I was running my office as efficiently as he was running his. Being an entrepreneur, we have so many things on our plate, and he makes it seem seamless. And that in itself is something that should be accredited, because being an entrepreneur and someone juggling so many different tasks, you need to have order. And he has order. If someone was interested in coming to this event and was seriously wanting their business to go to the next level and to make certain that they had all the systems in place and have it tailored for them and to incorporate some of the systems that he has, I would highly suggest that you take heed, immediate heed, and make yourself available for the next event. It's been the best decision that I've made, and I'm so excited about getting home and implementing every aspect of it.